Hi everyone, I miss you guys so much. I'm glad that I'm gonna show you two dishes today. I hope you like it. And then it's kind of family gathering together. Now I know you guys have spent so much time all day long with your family. So it's kind of good project to do. Second dish, I'm gonna make this rice ball. All right, you can use any kind of rice. If you have a white rice, it's fine, but my mother usually, she likes making a kind of purplish rice, so it's okay. And then all the ingredients is you can use all the from the refrigerator, all the vegetables. I got the red bell pepper and the carrots and the zucchini and then yellow bell pepper. And then I put a little bit of seaweed. It's not hard, don't worry about it. And then if you have like a cooked potato, ham, or either ground beef or ground pork, that's fine. You put a little bit of sesame oil. Sesame oil. You put a little bit of salt and pepper, but I'm gonna just put a little bit of salt. Just a little. Okay. The color is cute, right? And then you are done. Guys, let's turn off. Okay. And then I'm gonna put in the rice. I put the rice here. It's easy to make. All right. So, and then you're gonna put, you have a like rice like this. You just make this. Start together. Mix it together with vegetables. And you can use the gloves. Where's the gloves? Oh, I lost. Or you can use, I use this plastic wrap. This is kind of good trick. You put a little bit of rice inside, right? And you wrap around. And you do this. Can you follow this? Make your ball. And you open it up. It's like a rice ball, like this. And what you can do, I have like a seaweed, dry seaweed. If you don't like it, it's fine, but I like it. You just put it here. And that's it.